Piny William Ruto dok ne ogai mar obila Douglas Kanja kowacho ni obila bedo e rombe mag siasa ma ok gitim weche siasa. Oseyo joma seyo Kanja bedo e rombe mag siasa kowacho ni sani ok sa siasa to mar dongruok.
Between 5 years of electoral cycle, in between, there is more important stuff for us to do as a government. And for now, we must engage in nation building. And in nation building, all of us, in whatever capacity, must participate from wherever we are in nation building. I want to tell those who may have confused that there is a campaign in Kenya. Please, there is no campaign in Kenya. What we are doing is what the people of Kenya asked us to do. And for your information, IG, whenever you are not there, there are so many other officers who represent you in those meetings. And there is no difference. And they don't come to do politics. You know? So I don't know what difference there is. In the meeting where I was in Nyeri, there were almost another 300 policemen all over the place. Why do you single out the IG?